In this video, we will discuss regarding various feeding techniques of parabolic reflector antenna. So, for example, we have seen so many parabolic antennas in our day-to-day life. The antenna which is there on our house top is different from the antenna which is used for mm, broadcasting. Okay, we have seen so many TV channels and so what is the difference between this the antenna which is present on our house top and the antenna which is used for broadcasting purpose? There are various techniques are there, various types are there. We will look after this in this video. Parabolic antenna. Parabolic antenna. Okay, so this is the first one is axial feed or front feed. Okay, so here only one antenna, primary antenna is there. All the rays falls on this reflector and all the rays, so they fall on the reflector and move like this. Okay, so they will form this. Okay, first one is axial or front feed. Second one is offset feed. Okay, so only half of the reflector will be available. So this is called as offset. The third one is the most popularly used feeding technique in parabolic antenna is Cassegrain. Cassegrain. Okay. The most popularly used practical antenna is Cassegrain. Okay. So what is the difference you have noticed between this diagram and this diagram? Here, how many reflectors are there? Only one reflector and one primary source. Whereas coming to the Cassegrain, okay, so this is your primary antenna. Okay, first the rays will falls on the first reflector. This is your first reflector. Okay, so again the waves will get reflected and falls again on the other second. So totally how many reflectors are in Cassegrain? Two reflectors are there. Two reflectors are there. Okay, so what is the first reflector shape? The shape is convex. The shape is convex. Okay, so if the first reflector is in convex shape, we call it as Cassegrain. The most practically used feeding technique of parabolic antenna is Cassegrain. Cassegrain feeding technique. Okay, and the fourth one is Georgia. So the fourth one is Georgian. So what is the difference between Cassegrain and Georgian? Here also two reflectors will be there. But here, what is the shape of the first reflector? It is concave. The shape of the first reflector, it is concave. The shape of the first reflector is concave. Okay, so the shape of the first reflector is concave. Okay, so tell me what are the various types? The first one is very important question. The first one is axial feed. Second one is offset feed. Third one is Cassegrain. Fourth one is George. Fourth one is George. So what is the most popularly used? It is Cassegrain. Okay. So here how many reflectors are there in Cassegrain? Two reflectors are there. Georgian also two reflectors are there. But if the primary reflector or the first reflector, if it is in convex shape, call it as Cassegrain. If it is concave shape, we call it as George. Okay, so let us observe here. Okay, so here, how many reflectors are there? This is my primary antenna. This is my primary antenna. So first the waves will fall on this antenna. This is of my first reflector. Okay, so first reflector, the waves will fall on this antenna. Again, they fall on this second reflector. Again, they fall on this. This is my second reflector. And then all the waves will move in particular direction. All the waves will move in particular direction. So if you observe here, totally how many reflectors are there here? Here, two reflectors are there. Okay, so this is my primary antenna. This is my first reflector. This is my second reflector. So first wave starts fall on primary reflector 1. Okay, next again from that they will reflect to the second reflector. Okay, from that both the rays will travel in same direction. Okay, so here what we'll get plane wave. We'll get here plane wave front. Okay, so plane wave front. So the most popularly used one technique is Cassegrain. Cassegrain technique. Cassegrain technique. Okay, so very important question. Total out of the four techniques of feeding of an antenna, one is axial feed, second one is